So good morning, my traders. It's your boy, the Fantasy King, as usual. Don't forget the reasons why we are here always. Don't forget the reasons why we are here always. Most of the time, we come here to analyze. It is the major thing why we normally go live, to analyze, to have some analysis with the impulsive strategy. And then sometimes we take the advice, the financial advice most of the time as well. So today, without wasting any time, we first have to analyze. We have to first analyze. Then after analyzing around 2 to 3 pairs, then we shall have each pair analyzed. We shall have some questions from the clients, the bosses there on my Telegram channel as well, as usual. Then after that, we shall have to talk about, the performance. You get it? Okay. So, my dear friends, let me take this opportunity to say good morning to Mrs. Mrs. I don't know. Then Mr. Teddy available. The MTN guy Ibra, that is a doctor. That guy is a doctor. Then we have 10. We have Goa Academy. Adi Makilen, Marvin Ricky, Maliki Musa. Salamu alaikum. Impulsive Trader, NASA, Daima Alkaline. I'm seeing the numbers. I'm seeing the numbers are high. I'm seeing here Satisfied Lona. I'm having Nangoma Yasmin. Wagaba Hilta, Mr. Trade, Mr. Goldie Trader Hilta. Then I'm having here Mr. BJ Moses. I'm seeing trades there available down. Okay. I take this opportunity to say greetings to you all, guys. And on TikTok, I'm having CR7. I'm saying hello to you guys. I'm having here again, I'm seeing Daima again available on TikTok. I'm seeing Multiple Survivor and very many others there. Okay. So as others are coming, my dear friends, it has been a while without us analyzing the Forex market. So today I am having a structure I would like us to learn about before we go in for the analysis part. I have a reason why I'm starting with this. First of all, my dear friends on TikTok or on Telegram, if you're not seeing the screen, first put up your hand. If the voice is not clear again, the hand should be up. Someone is saying he's not seeing the screen. Mr. Nasser, I'm seeing Marvin also saying he's not seeing the screen. Why are you guys not seeing the screen? I already shared the screen. Marvin, you also say the screen is not there. Come again?
The screen isn't on.
Then refresh your Nani, because the screen is already shared. Let me see. Again. What of now? Are you seeing it? Mr. Nasser? The MTN guy.
Maybe
is the screen there?
Refresh the Telegram. Maybe if it's on
The
me,
MTN guy.
but I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it yet.
Marvin, also speak up. Do you see the screen? Traders. Are you seeing the screen right now?
Nze sigiraba simanyi banene abalala bawadde mike oba bagiraba.
Okay. Let me try again, see. What up now? What up now? I'm having a second phone here. Mine is now showing that I'm seeing the screen.
Yeah, it's now clear.
Okay. So, my friends, like I was saying that I would like us to first start up with something here. We're going to start up with something here. Yeah, Mr. Blue Screen Addict, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. You're not so late like the way you're saying. You have come on time. You have come on time. Okay. There is this structure I would like us to first look at because it has happened of recent. It has happened of recent. So we're going to look at it. Let me use this US oil that is not, we are not trading US oil right now. So let me use it to clarify something here. So let this be our whiteboard. Guys, you have to follow up for your own good. I'm not so perfect, but at least I have something that everyone would need to confirm or to know or to revise. You get it? So, this is going to be our white screen. And this is the structure I want us to talk about. Whenever you see the market doing this thing, I'm sorry, that's my mom trying to call. So, when you're doing this thing, this is what, let's assume this is the structure we have. Are we following? So, whenever you see the market doing this, I want to show you something. This is a bullish run, from a bearish to bullish. So, at a given point, the market will start to range. I say, creating a resistance level. You get the point. So, at this level, the market will have to respect the resistance level, coming back to what? To the support. I see, guys, are you following? So when the market comes back to the resistance, most of the time they'll have to respect it. They respect it, then giving us back the structure. Now here's the problem. Whenever the market comes back to the resistance level, are you seeing this level here, where we are right now? Let us first mark there. We draw the zones that are showing that this is the resistance level, this is the support level, the green line. Are we together? So that one being the green line is the resistance level, and then this one is the support, the resistance, and then below is the support level. I don't know whether we are making ourselves clear. Moment. Let me first make my board white so that everything is very clear. You know, I'm sick of the eyes, so that's why I like using the gray screen. So, this is what we have. We are learning. We have said that this is the resistance level, the support level, and then this is the resistance level. We have a bullish structure here. I don't know whether we are together. This is the bullish run that we have. Let us give it a different color. We give it blue. Are you seeing? Then we have the range. This is the consolidation. Are we together? Now, after respecting the levels, the market had to give us back a bearish to the resistance level. Are we together? Then from there, the market again is giving us a bullish run. Now, my question is, my dear friends there on TikTok and on Telegram, my bosses, whenever I say that structure, what should you do? What should you do? We have seen the market, it was in a bearish run, respecting the resistance, the support level, giving us a bullish run. Then at the resistance, the market is ranging, trying to respect the resistance level. Then they gave us back a sell, dropping downward seriously. Then from there, the market is giving us a bullish run. So when the market comes back to the resistance level, what should we do? This is my question, guys. Kindly, I need someone active here. I need someone active that I could discuss with today. Who could that be? Who's willing to discuss with me today? If you're willing, put up your hand. I give you the mic. We talk together. I need a trader, MTN guy. MTN guy.
Mr. Funded King.
Yes, Nasa.
To my own opinion, since this is as if it's already a consolidation, we are between the support and resistance.
Absolutely.
Yeah. To my opinion, I could wait for the breakthrough of this resistance to be broken, then retested, we buy.
Very good. Anyone with a different answer? The M10 guy, I want you to speak. The M10 guy. The M10 guy, you have the mic, just speak, unmute your screen and speak. So according to Mr. Nasser, is saying that when the market reaches this level, wait for it to move up like that, okay? You wait for it to break this resistance level. After waiting for the breakout, then you have to come and wait. At least it has to give us back this move. And NASA, we are saying this, then from there, we shall expect the market to continue upwards.
That resistance, yeah, I meant that resistance level. Since we are
So
already
guys, do we all agree? Do we all agree with this? Mr. Blue Screen Addict, you're a gold trader like me. Do you agree with this? Mr. Blue Screen Addict?
Yeah. That's on. Yeah, morning.
Okay, so it has been my observation. Number one, whenever you see this move, it's a good indication that the market is going to give you some bull moves that are going for long term. And you find someone seriously aiming at the sells, which is a very bad setup to use. So whenever you see this, I personally have ever been tricked at this area. You know, this area turns out to be the resistance level. Allow me. Resistance, isn't it? This is the resistance level, isn't it? That area. So that area, most of the time, it is confusing traders. And you find them seriously selling at that given area. This is the support level. It's a very bad idea for trader to execute sales at this area. Most of the time we are tricked, and most of the time this structure happens in 5 minutes. It can happen in 5 minute and 15-minute time frame. So whenever you see this structure on 30 minutes or 1 hour, kindly don't sell the market. Don't execute sales. Always wait for the pull back down, then you buy. As I speak today, that structure has happened on gold. Let me show you the proof that I have that it has happened. And it is the same structure that I've used to trade a 50K account within 45 minutes, and I've traded phase one and just 45 minutes with only one structure like this. So what I'm trying to show you is that you're supposed to be like, you have to be so observant when analyzing the market. Let me show you. Are you seeing this on 5 minutes? This is 5 minute time frame. Are we guys together? You see, this is the reason why I like to analyze together with you guys, because our strategy is telling us always analyze what you see, and most of it is saying that analyze what you see, don't plan the work. Don't say that I'm supposed to take sales at this area, I'm supposed to take buys at this area. It is very bad. Always analyze at the given area. You get my point? So this is my setup I've been trading with. I've traded this gold. I gave it the VIPs, and that's where we closed the trades from. Let me show you. This is the structure we had. The market was giving us sales at this area. Someone there, the phone is doing something that I'm liking. So this is the structure we had. Then the market gave us this bullish run. I see consolidating at this given area. I see. Then back to sales. Then now when it came back to this area, I see this area. Now people were aiming at sales at this area, make it to be a long graph so that you see the things that are very here. Are you seeing this move? So after the market consolidated at this area, they have given us a very huge momentum car. They are traders at this level. Now, as I speak, it's happening currently. It's happening. Okay, but I see again expected now that is price action. Then from there, the market had to start giving us and this is what you should expect. Someone taking home, we shall this area 5 minutes. I don't know whether I get myself clear. This is what I'm from explaining as the lectures today. And those that have followed the setups, this is exactly what is happening on gold right now. I don't know whether I make myself clear. I don't know whether I make myself. So someone missed this entry from here below. It would have been a good entry for you at this given area. It would have been a good entry to go in long. I don't know whether I make myself clear. I'm speaking to you guys on Telegram, but man, you're boring me. You're boring me. You're boring me. Boring me. Okay. So that is what I have on God. Let me take it again for those that just joined. You can see this is where it's from on US and it's traded on gold. When the level has been more than 10. I'm not saying that ICC to smart traders say they have this rule that says whenever the order block is mitigated, it indicates that the order block is very strong and it is very good for you as a trader, or it is advised for as a trader to gain a trade. So when they mitigate the order, what I mean by mitigating the order block, it is multiple closes or multiple touches at a given area. Isn't it? An SMC trader there to correct me. Mr. Screen Addict, I don't trade SMC.
Yeah. You're correct.
So the rule I've used is correct, yes. So that is the rule. Now this order block was mitigated, you can see. Then they gave us a strong sell. Then after mitigating the order block, but remember the support and resistance traders are also there waiting. They say, man, Mr. SMC, you have said that the order block has been mitigated. Now let the market sell. We shall wait for it to come at the support level. Remember, we already have this area where the market started from giving us the good structures. I'm seeing here. Now, this started to be our resistance level, the demand area. You get it. So, those guys are trading supply and demand. Now, but Forex trading is very fun when you know what you're doing. We have here three strategies. Let us go slowly. We have the SMC traders saying that whenever the order block is mitigated, now this is the mitigated order block here, the resistance level. When the order block is mitigated, most of the time, you have to wait for the good impulsive moves, isn't it? And with impulsive traders also we say that whenever the market is ranging, always expect a certain impulsive move to go in. Now the support and resistance traders say, the market is played from our support, gave us a good move, now it is in our resistance level, we have to wait for it to go back downwards. You get it? So, and even those guys trading supply and demand, they're also saying the same thing. You get it? So this is a structure that you have to be very careful with because it is very tricky. Yeah, most of the time when the market reaches this level, it tends to first give in some small candles, manipulating traders to enter the sells. But my dear friend, you will be swept out seriously. So that is what I wanted us to first focus on today, majorly that structure. I know very many traders don't know how to trade it. Very many traders are tricked with that structure. Whenever you see it, should have used line graph, but even I've been able to show you on gold that has happened and paid off. Okay, so from there now we can go and analyze, technically analyze. We are starting with XAUSD like normally. We normally analyze XAUSD. Here we are right now. You see, the structure has been respected seriously. You know the reason why I like to analyze during weekly days, because what we talk is what is happening in the market. We don't talk nonsense. Are you seeing now the buyers seriously giving us the moves? Those who entered from here, they are still eating, and those who have entered from here now, they're also eating. You get it? And expect this move at least to close above here. The scalpers, take that to be your entry, your first take profit there. That is XAU USD. Those guys on TikTok, we're having these lectures live in our Telegram channel. And now, without wasting time, I want to show you why am I saying that we at least have some short-term buys short-term or long-term gold. So we're analyzing XAU. Let me first remove all this. This is my setup, but I'm done trading today. I've already made my profits. So we shall start with the daily time frame. Why should we start with the daily time frame? Those traders there, anyone to give me the answer? Why do we start analyzing with the daily time frame? You know, we are learning and we are reminding ourselves. So there is no rush. If you're in a rush, yes, Mr. Yasmin. Mr. Yasmin. Yes, Mr. Blue Screen Addict, your background is so noisy.
I think it's to know the trend.
Very good. Most of the times, why we go to the daily time frames, it is majorly because we want to know the trend of the market. So as you come to the daily time frame, you can be able to find that the market is giving us a very big move over the buys. It is a bullish trend. And most of the time, I remember it was last month, I was here again and I told you guys that whenever the market is one-sided, kindly use market structure to analyze the market. Especially remember that time when the market had hit the all-time high. The only way we are able to get the buys during that period of time, it was majorly because we used market structure to analyze. You know, you're not supposed to be so attached on your strategy. You know, these strategies are supposed to be modified all the time because you're trading logarithms. You get it? So when someone is using impulsive strategy, is going to say, me, I'm trading only that. Even if they hit your stop losses more than 5 times a week, someone is going to say, my strategy is perfect. Be serious. Be serious. You have to be modifying all the time. You find me sometimes I sit back and I read books for Forex trading. Okay? So, after coming here, we have got to know that the trend is bearish. It's bullish. So we shall mark the highest and we should have been marking the lowest. I say you can be able to analyze all the time frames, analyzing using the time frame. But due to the neatness of our work, you can be going on time frame to time frame, analyze each time frame per time frame. You get it? So, yes, big man.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I always see some people saying that you are supposed to, like when you're using time frame over when you're using daily, you start daily H1 minute 15, then weekly H4 and minute 5.
It's the same rule we have in the impulsive strategy. We analyze from the highest to the lowest.
Okay.
But again, I've been saying that, did you know, it is a question, did you know that you can analyze all the time frames on one time frame? Did you know that?
I don't know. Maybe you first clarify more. How do you do it?
Anyone there who knows how to do that? That you can analyze all the time frames until 1 minute time frame, but you're analyzing only on one time frame. Anyone there who can give me the answer? You can try. My boss is on Telegram. I know we are all traders here. I'm seeing Elijah, SMC trader. Help me. I'm seeing you down there. Mr. Malik. Anyone, let us just help others to get to know these things. Futurists. Hilter, the gold trader. Certified trader. Certified loan FX. Did you know that you can trade? Someone here is having a full academy. It's called the Goa Academy. Goa Academy. Help us. Did you know that you can analyze all the time frames in one time frame? Did you know that? Okay, I'm having no response. Then let me remain with my work today. I'll give you to the private traders there. Okay, we proceed.
Let's say this means something.
Yes, Hilter, I'm seeing the hand here. Yes, Mr. Hilter. But guys, allow me to first use Luganda Katono. But traders, nze kamba buli ekintu kimwe mu trading tetugwangayo kuyiga nawe kenyini nkyayiga. Elijah mkono gwangu labye era nguwadde obuvunaanyizibwa ssebo tunnyonnyole. Bane tokkirizanga nti omanyi. Never allow that you know. Always be a student. I also sit down in alintudeko ansaba ne bansomesa ba Mr. Blue Screen Addict bansomeseza ddala abo the MTN guy Ibra. They teach me.
You can analyze on one time frame. You can analyze on one time frame. like the daily, you can always say because gold ziba zifanagana kale. Ofuna set up kale nga most times kale bazima demfunanga ziri ogifunye 30 minutes 1 hour jeri eba strong naye ofuna nga limu one time frame one dalango ofuna lower time frames not so strong sometimes price kuita mbris naye ofuna wide time frames ndanga katugambe H4 nga falling in line wona shekera conversion nga ziri mu time frame yona atenga mweyo ezisinga beera awo consider that as a strong trade era when izitwala nga price moving out straight paka profit aleta igenda ku speed ya maanyi.
According to what Mr. Hilton, according to Mr. Hilton, is saying that there are certain zones that you can run 30 minutes, you can run 4 hour time frame, and you're gonna find them that they are strong on other time frames. What I can tell you, the answer I expected, this is what I'm going to give as the answer. I'm not explaining it, I'm just saying that only one word, please. The only way you could be able to analyze all the time frames in one time frame, got me well, let me say it again. The only way you can be able to analyze all the time frames in one time frame, are we together, is to use price action. Now, someone's going to ask, price action is wide, price action, price action. Oh, my dear friends, I know what I'm talking about, and I'm able and I'm willing to prove it to you if you come in opposing my saying. You can analyze all the time frames using price action. What is price action? That could be the better question. Price action, briefly, price action, this is where someone's going to analyze the market technically using the previous information, the previous data. And the only way you can use previous data by analyzing using higher time frames. Are we together? So when you use higher time frames, you're gonna find that you can be able to spot all the previous zones on the other time frames. Tulifena, Mr. Blue Screen Addict. Mr. Nasa, kategereke semu ko over.
I've understood.
Yes. So, Kati price action, the question here is about price action. So, we shall go on learning slowly so as we proceed to our analysis. We're analyzing gold. So, we're having very many zones here, but I'm taking this one here. Basically, because I'm expecting to find it on 4 hour time frame. Are you seeing? Now, this is, I think this thing is very clear. I've added the zone in the time frame and I'm finding it on 4 hours. That's how you're gonna do things, guys. Just for because of the times that because the sun is day. So this is our zone that we have on 4 hour time frame. But remember, kama katono nyo when you analyze on 4 hour or on day time frame. So even here having a very good market structure whereby the market is creating is this the what? Tell me the high over the lower low. So you have low, we have finite terms. You see the market structure that you have here? The market is expecting 50% over given over the previous move. So what makes you think that this area here won't give us a very good buy and it's to pass this level? You see, these things are just making out themselves. The structure we have in 4 hour time frame on gold is saying that we are having a very bullish trend, and the market is giving us some good buys. The market is giving us some good signals of the buyers. So we have let me suppose this is the resistance level, the support level, and remember our rule says that whenever you're drawing those zones, make sure that you are marking the wedges, unless when the area that you are marking the wedge is not there. Are we together? When the wedge is not there, like this area, just put your zone on the top. Why do we mark wedges? That's another question. Anyone to give me the answer? Why do we mark the wedges?
I think
yes, Mr.
We mark the weeks because the market
Very good. Mr. Nasser is saying that The reason why we mark the winches, it is because you get a chigambo price. You get a chigambo price. You like a professional trader. I use that word for professional traders. Why you no gama market? Baja gama ibi chibi ayogera. Kali afe tujizo chimanye nenga checho. So the price has ever reached that level. We bang a price here to sell, like a sign or a symbol indicating that we have ever reached this given area. And when the market has ever reached that given area, it means that there are more chances of the market coming back to that area. Are you together? So always don't leave out the winches. That's why most of we the traders, our stop losses are hit because we ignore the winches and we normally put the stop losses below the winch. Very bad mistake. Make sure that the winch is your entry. And your stop loss should be inside your entry. Are we together? Okay. So we proceed. Now we're on 4 hour time frame. These are the zones we have so far. Now we have to add in the low risk areas on 4 hour time frame. And the question is, what do we depend on adding the low risk areas? Most of the time when you have to add the low risk areas, you have to consider the previous moves of the market. That is what we call price action in the forex industry. You can consider that. And then this one. So I'm saying those dotted lines are the low risk areas according to my strategy. So me personally, I make them to be dotted basically to remind me that when the market reaches this area, I'm supposed to use low risk. Like if I'm trading with 30 lot size, then at the given area, I will be using 15. If I'm trading with one standard lot size, then at the given area, I will be using 0.5. Are we making ourselves together? So this is the setup someone could use for trading on this given time frame. So when you go to 1 hour time frame, you're now piling off. When you go to 1 hour time frame, you're going to have the major zone up there, the resistance level on the supply area. Then here is going to be the risk area remaining with that as the risk area, and it has been respected. That's where the market gave us today's moves from. Then now this other risk area on 4 hour time frame is turning out to be our zone. One of the ways to make these things, when you come to your setup, don't make your chart look like this, because the market won't reach there today or tomorrow. It might take some good weeks, unless when you have some red events in the week. But when you come, always use this on TradingView. Refresh the screen like that. When you refresh the screen, you're going to find yourself that you're having at least a clear view. Now, according to this setup, according to this screen, I'm having this area is turning out to be my low, my demand area. Then use the word demand. I'm going to make it strong because now this is another time frame. You get it? So then I'm supposed to look for another low risk area, whereby the risk area here I will consider it's supposed to be at this area because of this move here. But I'm going to take this weight because it is a which price was rejected twice at this given area. You get it? So I'm going to make it to be my low risk area on gold. And remember, this is 1 hour time frame. Most of the time, what you analyze in 1 hour time frame, you can consider using it on 30 minutes as well. Okay? So this is the setup. Someone that is willing to trade gold today, at least you could consider. Then another thing here, you should be so technical and careful. According to the structure they are giving us here today, are you seeing from this move, the market came to this area, they respected the support level. This is now the support. They gave us the buys. They failed to reach the resistance level. Then they again came back to the support. Again, they have given us another move. And the more they go back to the support level, the more they lose. Someone's asking me, sorry, does the width of the border confirm the reversal after the breakout? I could say yes. So when I was saying that, the more it comes back to the support level, it is losing energy, it's losing momentum. Are you seeing? So what makes you think that it is going to come back to this level? So here now we can be saying that you expect the market to at least fight to this area, trying to shift, or someone expecting to take some good buys again. You should target either this area or below the area. But according to me, this area, remember we are from this was our first lesson today. It's not so good to take trades from here. At least expect the market to reach this area, then this is where we shall go back and flow. That is only if the market is to give us sales today. Okay, so if that give us the sales today, that's what we could expect to take in the buys from. But remember, if they continue buys from here and this area, at least we could take in some risk again to take in the sales, because this area is totally strong on XAUSD. You remember the lesson we started with? That's what you should be considering it, even if it is in the vice versa. Okay, so my dear friends on Telegram, you can ask me your questions again. Those guys on TikTok that have not yet joined the Telegram channel, you are missing out. The link is in my bio. You can also be here and discuss with me like Mr. Nasser. Mr. Nasser, that is the setup I have on gold. Do you have a different one?
Already went in for buys.
You are looking for the buys. Mr. Yes.
They were short longs by the way.
Today, when someone is using lot size, let me give you this trick, my dear friends. Those risky takers that are using lot size 5, minimum of 5, but even 5 is small. Okay, let me say, those risky takers that are using lot size 10 to lot size 660, maximally 660, avoid trading on 30 minutes, avoid trading on 1 hour, avoid trading on 4-hour time frame and daily. Why? Because you're gonna hold a trade that is not supposed to be holded. And when we are trading the swing trades, we have some things that we consider taking this to be a swingy trade. Those guys in my Telegram channel, you know what I'm talking about. There are trades that I posted yesterday that was Bitcoin. I'm having a setup for gold. I entered since NFP up to now. You get it? Those are what we call the swing trades. Those are what we call the swing trades. They are things that we consider taking this to be a swing. That's why you find Mr. FK entering lot 5 and is just putting the stop loss in break even and holding around 1,000 pips. Mr. Blue Screener, you are good at holding. There are things you consider. Can you share with us at least 2 or 3? And we confirm them to our colleagues here. Mr. Blue Screen? Hey there. That's one of the guys I know that is good in holding trades. He can take a trade and is holding it like for 2 weeks. Okay? So, as it's coming, there are things you have to consider taking this setup to be a swing trade. You can take it to be an intraday. You can take it to be anything you want, even for scalpers. So for scalpers, consider trading 1 hour, 1 minute, and the 5-minute time frame. And your analysis would be made at least in 30 minutes and 1 hour maximum, recording only the candles. Okay. Then those guys that are trading the intraday, you should not exceed 30 minutes and 15 maximum. And minimally you can go beyond that. That is 5 minutes and 1 minute. And for those long-term traders, those of us, you can take your trade in 1 hour, you just move in the break-even. You take your trades on a 4-hour time frame, you move in break-even. So those traders that are taking in the trades right now, here, you can go to 5 minutes, you can get a good structure for buys on gold. Those who tweak in the trades. I say, at our risk area, the market is strongly respected. So the entries at exactly the reach, and this was a very good, here it was a good confirmation, confirming our entry, and then they gave us the buys. And these buys were totally enough for any trader that is trading there. And again, as I speak, the trades are still going up. At least we should expect to take the first take profit. The first take profit here, it would have been here. This could be a very good entry. I could take profit there. So that's my setup on XAU USD. Now I'm selecting only 3 hands. Henry FX down there, I'm seeing you. Demo Kingdom, welcome. Mr. Bishop Robert, welcome. Mubarak, Mr. Future Race. Okay, so if you have any question on gold, kindly, this is where you ask your question and we proceed to other pairs. My VIPs, I told you stop losses should be in break even. Hilta, are we together on gold?
Yeah. So I've got another setup right now on gold. It's a buy, is it? So I'm waiting price to come at 20. I'm waiting for it to come at 20, 12.94. Then I buy again.
Yes.
Because I scalped and withdrew. So I'm waiting for it for the entry around 24.12 around there. There's a demand zone down there. I have some QM pattern. Yeah, I have a QM pattern right there. I'll be targeting 100 pips, then I'm out for the day.
That's very good, bro. That's very good. Yeah, that's Mr. Hilter. Is also a good trader of XAU. So, lastly, as I'm concluding on gold, my dear friends, don't be so sure with the forex market. No one is driving this market. We traders, you are just anticipators. You just anticipate the market. You get my point? So you are not supposed to be so sure of the market. Leave alone those guys that are no longer having the hats. They are using lot size 50. Leave them alone. But you know your problem is that you are not supposed to be so sure of the market. So as we are seeing buys according to the technical analysis we have, but don't be surprised seeing the market selling strongly. And again, you, my traders, don't be surprised seeing Mr. FK posting a very good screenshot with a very good sniper entry selling the market, okay? Don't be surprised. Remember why? The reason is we are just anticipators. We just anticipate the market, okay? So that's the idea, the advice I wanted to put on board. Now, I'm going to another USD pair. According to my analysis today, I saw that we're having some card news. So I'm going to analyze USD card or card JPY. We see what could be the expectations on the card pairs. I don't know. Let me see Audi card. What does Audi card give us? You know, when you're trading news, most of the time, consider these things. So the same structure that we are from learning about today, it has again happened here. Are you seeing this move here? This was a very good move for those who don't know how to trade. They would be able to take themselves from here and they would have been swept out. Okay, so this is since you're having the data starts from 4 time frame, according to 4 time frame, the market is indicating that we are strongly bullish. We are strongly bullish. Throw away the heart, keep the brain. Harok is saying that when trading, throw away your hearts and keep the brain. Traders, you're funny. You're funny. Okay. So we proceed. We have to find the trend. The trend is saying that we're having a bullish trend on Australian dollar card. We're analyzing this. Basically, we have news. So the data, the 4 time frame is showing the same thing. We're having these horns. We're gonna consider them and we have to respect them as well because they are respected. And this is where the range started from. Now they just broke it out. We're gonna mark the below of the range, and below the range, we are seeing the what? We are seeing that we have there the winch, and we shall consider it. Then we shall go to 1 hour time frame. You make your setup clear. Yes, you make the things clear. Among the 2 horns, we have the tone and the SWAT, but I see that the echo. So that's we have then we're gonna consider them to be our resistance at what? The support levels. You can even make them to be the zones. And by the way, when you're making the zones also, you have to consider some things, the counter patterns. Don't just take in the trades. So this area, the market was respected. They respected this switch. So we are getting another one for 1 hour for 30 minutes. So when you come to 30 minutes, you will find that here we are. Now, whenever you see the market giving us these moves before the news coming, most of the time expect to go against it when the news comes. When the data is released, expect to go against it because the candles they are giving you for the news. Now they are happening before news. So now we are right now. We have in this area, we expect the market to reach it, indicating that there are more chances of violating this area. So we're gonna mark this range to be the close, the body close is going to be the low risk area. Then here, where the gaps are enclosing, then that's where you should put your other low risk area, 30-minute time frame on Australian dollar card. Brax is asking a question. Yes, you can ask as you join the Telegram channel. You could even be able to see your hand. So this is where we are right now. Why the question here would be, why haven't we put this to this wage? The reason why I have not put here, this wage was a manipulation that can fill up this gap. Then it gave us a good structure. Now we are considering this camp that has just opened. We are considering it. So if it breaks this area, we shall leave you to go and try to start looking for sales at the low risk areas. This is for those people that will trade the card news that is coming. At least you could consider this setup for your own good. Because me personally, I'm seeing when it clocks 2 p.m., when the market is still buying Australian dollar card, expect to take the sales on the data release. I don't know whether I make myself clear. That is for those traders that are trading that pair. Any question on it? Any questions on it?
Hello.
Any pair
Yo,
you would
bro.
want me to analyze for you? Okay, Mr.
Yo,
Hunter?
bro.
Yeah, man.
So you're gonna sell card in the news.
Australian dollar card. Well, that will only if there is a condition. We shall sell it if this move reaches either the expected sell area or the low risk area before the data release. Then we shall take in the sales. So you are saying that I should you can give us the signal, sir.
I know. I don't trade card pairs, so I don't have any idea about them. I just want to join you to to trade the news with you, and see.
I'm not trading. I personally, I'm done trading today. I made my profits. Unless I would like to take another entry around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. or even
yeah? You can give us the signal for the news. We trade the news. Maybe me and my fundamental trader too.
Hey, that's good. I'm gonna analyze but today we don't have news for USD.
For the card.
We only have for card, and is it GBP?
We shall trade for card.
I'm not trading, mister. I'm a gold trader. If I don't trade gold, I'll trade Bitcoin. If I don't trade Bitcoin, I'll trade the NAS 100. Those are the three pairs I trade personally. And even sometime I only trade one pair, and I stick on that. There is a day comes and I'm trading only NAS. There is a day comes and I'm trading. You get it?
Yeah, I get it, bro.
So that's also part of the discipline and psychological lesson for those traders that are out there. You have to be able to know where you're supposed to take in your trades from. Don't just take trades because you like. You have to get your pairs around 4 to 5 maximally, whereby if one of them is not moving well, you trade another one. If you get it, and they should be of different bases. They should be of different bases. If I use the word bases, at least I make myself clear. Don't trade USD JPY, you trade USD CAD, you trade USD. You get it, You have to be selective. Trade GBP Chef, trade BTC USD, trade gold. Don't trade GBP USD and Euro USD. You get it? Get other pairs. Sometimes you find someone trading Australian dollar JPY. Some people find me online around 3 p.m. and they ask me, FK, don't you sleep? Man, we cannot sleep when we don't have money. I'm currently holding that Audi card and Audi USD and the Audi USD buy. Yeah, if the others buy, then you shall sell. Okay, that was the setup for the card traders. Then let me look at GBP USD, and I'm having this pair. The JPYs nowadays, they've been tending to move in one direction. I don't know what's going on. Let us first look at least USD JPY and we see how it is moving. I think you can see Well, what is this structure now? USD JPY. So they respected my setup. No, they hit my stop loss. And then they came back. Okay, now let us analyze it. Let us analyze. You get the range. I'm seeing the range here. We shall consider the range. Prepare your questions about prop firms. We are soon winding up. Prepare questions about the prop firms as we are winding up. Okay, so this is USD/JPY. Are we there? Are we there? Oh, we are not. I broke Cohen. Thank you for coming late for the next lesson. You are so early for the next lesson, Mr. Cohen. You know, whenever Cohen comes online, just now I'm not spending another one. It's so disturbing.
Yeah, so go katulagemo ka USD/JPY.
I don't tease. I don't watch a signal cha BP never go stop loss.
I know you.
Go ahead, church you, bro.
Tewali sigamba.
Oteka mbera
Sikutekawo mbeera naye ndieno ndi mu USD card kasero GBP/JPY GBP/JPY, why is it? Nagikute kujjo H4
katujje tukago magigwe ebintu byokohen yakuzanyiramu ekirungi olina obujulizi teekateeka setup ya GBP/JPY tugirabe lwaki obayinga
GBP/JPY lwaki mbayinze
setup yo giteeketeeke kamala okola analysis then I come to you. So
okay.
Yes, big man.
Okimanyi card news ebeera etera compactinga gold nayo by the way.
Yes, I know that. That's why in series and start chogera kone kati guyagala nchogere kuba dotya.
Tuza tulumbayizi zaffe n'ensenya ne tujjamu laba obuzibu bujja.
No. But bro, mubere serious mwana. Oba trading a gold ngodo wayingide buy stop loss mu break even. Kati amawulire gana jjato wewunya gold yokuba bikando yotalaba. Naye nze ate mulaba nga trading right now, it's a very good signal for me. Naye nga trades entuufu zijja nyuma nnyo nga za buy. Naye nga mubeere be informed of card news. Normally they push gold more than what you think. They push gold. Kati mwababirimu mwabamanyize ebintu byamwe sibirimu.
lwaki obyegaana
Gange neteeketeeke akaunti yange lot 20 ejja mujja kulaba. Okay, this is USD/JPY 1 hour time frame. Kalina kwa nekiri ku gold. Gold was selling amanya nabagenda tu buy. Ono wala nga sell mu USD/JPY. Manya tu buying gold. Buli karo je bakuba manya neri je bakubye. So these are the levels so far we have right now. But remember to have zones above this level. Atenga, if you so remember me where we started from this area, we talked about this area over the first lesson we started with. In Jakatali area where the regita. So don't be surprised seeing the market buying. Okay? So that's only for those traders who took in the source. Now we are looking for where taking the buys from again. I'm gonna consider this range. This range we're gonna find it strong in 5 minutes. And again, I'll consider you see this level. This area is the same move that we have here, and you see what happened over this bullish candle they gave us. So they might give the same kind of this area. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. And this is where I'm gonna put my other low risk area. When we sell USD/JPY, we shall be buying gold. So at the low risk areas, the rule says that whenever the market closes above the area, marked area or the marked zone, always go long after the confirmation. Whenever the market closes below the marked area, always go short after the confirmations. That is the setup we have on USD/JPY. On USD/JPY 1 hour time frame. But remember, we are having news. when you have news, always analyze on higher time frames or manipulated, because manipulation is highly there, especially in JPY pairs. It is there on XAU, the Kabaka of them. Then you have the judge of them, that is NASDAQ 100 and US 30. And then you have their emperor, none other than BTC, Bitcoin USD. They don't even need news. So let me look at this guy's setup for any question on JPY. Any question there? Anyone is having a question on USD JPY before I proceed? Anyone with any question? Okay. The silence means no. Okay, now we are looking at GBP JPY. Let us see, someone is saying that is buying GBP JPY. We have to know, why is he buying? Why is he buying? This is where we are. According, now we are back here again. I'm having this question. Kakati the question is, whenever you see that structure, whenever you see the market moving like this, what should you expect?
A big sell to ready. Oh, buy to ready.
And now you get them more pips chikumi sawas in them. Who gave that answer? Mama pips chikumi.
That's all get there.
Okay. My trader going to the trader. Most of the time, expect the market to give you a very big move. Hey, you put your eyes closer. I want to show you something. Here we are. The market was giving us these big candles. Then at the end of the day, look what happened. I see. Or your forex. That's the meaning of forex trading. So one go here, you go back to this guy is a joke. Yeah, someone is saying, Gadget Chief is saying that a very strong bearish move. Very true. Let us make it a bearish. So get to chiri inverse ngolaba akatale kajja kakuwa bupulishikando obwo butonotono gwebera ngo osubira ekintu kimu. At any time the market will give you a bearish candle. Tusana okudya ddala emabega, katulya ddala emabega tulabe. Olaba nga akatale nga katambula kandi ezeeweese nga tezikola direction yemu. Ekintu olina okuteeka mu mutwe gwo kimu. Kaleke kakola bye kakola. You just have to spot out one area. After spotting out the given area, then you wait for the impulsive move. Katolaba this trend here, the market was giving us some sales. Let's assume they are selling. Then from giving us the sales, at the end of the day, what happened? I see. That's how forex trading is moving. Always ekintu okwapeninga. And ate kigenda kwapeninga nnyo ku JPY pairs. So you have to be very careful when you're trading the JPYs. Okay? So after giving us the impulsive moves, the market had to do it again the same thing. Akatende kaja consolidate kakuba bukando obweweka nga butono. You know mwabakwata amanya ga candles, mumanya amanya gaabo. Babuyito basimanga the black soldiers, simanyanga bichi. Bujja bweweka nga butono. But what about that one impulsive move that is always going to come against the given previous moves? Okitegeera? Always expecting that move. So, chechireteyo kugamba nti even right now where we are on gold, on GBP JPY, there are more chances for us to receive some strong bearish candles. We might not receive them today or tomorrow, We may not receive them today or tomorrow, but they have to come. Akatale kaira okutuwa ku move egenda kujjanga dropping weight. Let's assume kaseringi dawo ejja kujjanga eri namba ero kabaringa paka wanene minimum obutandiko lozo okuteeka mu buy. Over this area kati Mr. Cohen abayinza ojiro bayinga ku baby kando ko mugende mpola mpola naffe tuwagidde. We shall wait you and
Leo my trade yange weri.
Mr. Bayingiridde kuneno.
Kajikolage. Ojiraba. Trade yange sebejedo. Edo H2. Trade yange sebejedo wasi.
Awoli si wabi. Then kati gojiro holding a trade you bro. Trade you holding. Okay, so my dear friends, this is where I'm having some questions. Yes, Mr. Drake Shura. Drake Shura is having a hand up. Yes, Mr. Drake. Mr. Drake?
Nzizo okumpa omukisa bro mbadde nange supportinga about trade ey'okubuyinga cause kyemanyi bagala washinga out of liquidity eyakalika peak kendaba ku previous high eriwo kyenyinza ogamba bayinza okuba nga bagala washinga then a drop yenga obadde ogambye mukama wange ogamba otya bro
kisoboka esobola okujja eno area baagi breaking the candle close olaba waneno enda the line back closing but remember to every win general goal of this wage so akatale kaizo kakakudamu covering that price. It is very possible kaizo tu kayo ne katia kaito ajifunyi waneno kati we expect it to reach this area. If it is to reach, then kaja kutaka say agalo buying I might expect some buys from here because kaja buying kadem kai testing area no oshegede after the testing again kado jambu desa shimba ja kwambala kando at least it's nene 50% then tutuke one out and take a buys kwa area never jabela manipulation ni muntu da daeno wagulu oshegede kano kazonde wa kama range wagenda clothing frames then kaka kuda list exchange kweno area. That is for those guys that are willing to trade JPY. Kati expect move kuja solo kujanga namba ngide oweso kujanga ikilila mpola gwedi. So be expecting a certain move at any moment. Kati guys to move weight you. Second. So that's where I would like you guys to ask me some questions. So what I can say personally right now, I'm promoting 5 prop firms on my list, and most of them are using MT5. Number 1, and by the way, right now it's one of the best firms. It is FX5. The link is my bio. It is number 1 trading prop firm. Even if you go to match to this prop firm match, but in FX5, you can use it MT5. However much the prices are high. Number 2, funded next. Number 2 is funded next. It has been there for a while. Number 3, Prime Plus funding. However much I didn't lose his account here and 100k. I lost my 100k account on Prime Plus funding, but I can still recommend it because Najijamu Daka sent. Then number 4 is funding pips and funded FX. So as a prop firms done was you have to come to Funded King. You ask anything I can help. Okay? But avoid buying an account in link because when you use the link, you're gonna get some commission over 10% discount over 5% minimum. It depends over the month discount. Okay? So muzikoze sales of Ramsey, ze sawa zosolo kujamu akasente. Za MT5 funding pip ya choose systems zayo, and I'm very soon I'm releasing a video showing you how they work nowadays. They brought us 1-step challenge and 3-step challenge. So there are changes there. When you go to funded FX, bale semwe tekalia profits zoino kolo. You're not supposed to make 2%. You are supposed to make 2%. Don't go beyond 2%. When you go beyond 2%, Ujaba of facing some consequences. Okay, Mr. Baka FX, I've seen your hand up. Mr. Baka FX, I've seen your hand up. Welcome, salam alaikum.
Jebali baba.
Olungi kusaba jawale komavini no.
Kakati kyebadde mbuuza ku ezo programs z'opromoting ezekozesa MT5
Kitegeeza tokyabuuza.
nkyabuuza baba.
Okay,
naye nga kyebadde ngamba nti ku ezo z'opromoting sofa kuliko eya gundi like eya 5 days oba zonna zimu 2 weeks.
My dear friends, neyabadde faamu emu bweteega ba 5 days yakijjeewo. You know why? Nagenda kubuuza ekibuuzo Baka kimu kyokka. Golowooza faamu ezo zifuniramu wanga buli 5 days bakusasula ssente. Among the 5 pro farms kuliko funding pips. Funding pips abadde kuwa ssente 5 days naye kyakyuse kankikubaliremu ekirabe. When you trade phase 1 n'ogiyita waliwo 24 hours, that's another day. Tubadde ennaku 1 day to receive another phase. Then when you pass phase 2, you pass 3 days of receiving a live account. Those are 4 days out. Olinda. Then after receiving the live account, you have 5 days of onboarding. 5 days. Kitegeeza kata ziri 4 days plus 5. Those are 9 days. Trading days yenjogerako. Then after that, you trade your account. You said bagenda kuwa set after 5 payout. You request your payout on the 50th day. Kati is a 9 plus 5. That is 14 days. Then after that, bagenda kuwa pay out your take a rise pay. To process your payout rise pay, it takes other 3 days. That is 14 plus 3, 17 days. People funding people. Then after rise pay receiving your money, when you request the payout using bank wire or bank transfer, it's going to take them other 48 hours or 72. Those are 3 days. Then from 17 plus 3, those are 21 days. You pay out to Mr. Baka. Then when you use crypto, cash out on Rise Pay, it's going to take you 24 hours. Chitagezo ogana linda pay out here so come 21 days. Sebo HT ambayo pay out mwemwe kuwa sente within 5 days. Kati atao panda the next FX5 wezisingira but yeah. Panda the next agenda kugamba you trade phase 1 5 days minimum, then phase 2 5 days, those are 10 days waiting. Then after that bakola hivi immediately bakola hivi tandikira out trading at your own bonding. Then they tell you that your first payout should be requested after 21 days. That is omwezi gumu. Because 5%, even they refund 15% for phase your trading. Quote me well. This is the pro firm that's giving you 15% could do more accounts or trading. Already the same. Chirico funded next. And the 15% you receive it if you make 5% over the profit. That is funded next. Uransonga ya chigamba tegenda kulimba funding people je kulimbye tegenda kuwa 5 days at taking your time. Echo chali chikadde. Genda ku FX5. FX5 is giving you 5 days. Phase 1 5 days, phase 2 5 days. Those are 10. Then when you pass phase, when you get live account, profit season nazo soko kukola any amount of profit you make on your first phase on your live account, they give you on demand payout 90% profit share. Woba koze emitwalo 2 eja $, ku phase ku live account osabirawo payout ne bagikuwa within 24 hours. Are we together? When you go to prime plus funding, Nagi trading, it takes them 5 days, phase trading phases. Then 14 days receiving your what? Your payout. Chitegeeza ate kati eri funding people badde tulimba obera they have been manipulating us. Mr. Baka, for you to be safe with the trading prop firms, don't come with tojana subiri amaanyi. Tojana subiri amaanyi. Jango trading ngolinga agenda okukola omulimu nga bakusasula mwezi. Era farm yena jono sanga right now ngekuwa sente within 5 days. Generally kirire. Get that from me. And I'm ready to prove it. Mr. Future Race, I've seen your hand up. So, Mr. Baka, simanya wankwano kudde. Another thing is, for me, Faisal, FK, I'm just an affiliate with these pro farms. So, Mr. Future Race, Come again?
Hello.
Yes, big bro.
FKJ baleko ssebo.
Kale so gyaleko.
Akati nekyembadde mbuuza
Yes, sir.
badde nkibuuza ku prime eyo.
Prime plus funding, yes, sir.
Nina video ze nteedde ku WhatsApp yo.
Egaki.
Bampadde nafunye naguze challenge mu prime plus. Naye buli wenteekamu order bagiclose nga buli wenteekamu order bagiclose nga sitegeera lwaki.
So family knows you breached. Because you are breaching the daily laws. When you breach the daily laws, chichokebakora. Brotekamu trade bajaji closing automatic. Brotekamu trading abaji close. Whenever I breach daily laws, remember bakuwa 5%. Wangambe account here with the you told me you have a 25k account, isn't it? So if you have a 25k account size and you make a loss of
account nenda kulaga eri close ya $7.
My bro, these are prop firms. Baina mateka agawafuga. Number one, all prop firms is either daily drawdown. The daily drawdown most of the time is either 4% or 5%. You get it, Mr. Future Race.
Anti kati mbadde nkyagamba account njifune today morning.
Yes.
Nenteekako 0.1 ne baclosinga order era loss gyerimu erimu $7.
Tebayinza banga bakulose kubanga these guys baba ne system monitoring zaabwe. But I'm trying to tell you what is happening in this country. When you make a loss, no take a trade ya 5 lot size ne kuwa profit in order to break even nga wakoze that draw down here. Ebyo mara good day. It has happened to me last week. I was trading 100k account and funded the next. Nekola loss yali ya bazali 10 kati trade jena teka mwenda yali lot 5 nekona mu 5k ne maneda mu profit account ne bagitwala. These guys are when is an affiliate. I'm going to check the video of told me. When I find out that Chebakoze Chichamo, wanga either beba chamo wagwe, njabera straight for the Gambe. One among post years in Japan live stream, Magambe, this farm does this and this. You get it? Like they have told you about funding pips. Funding pips like a child, they call it child. Oxtag the Mr. Future Race.
Kitegedde kankulinde ove ku live.
Yeah man. Nenga you have to be banga wakoze mwezo banga wayitinze draw down so kachi ba closing automatic trades izo. Okay, any other question guys about prop funds? I've said that we are promoting 5 prop funds right now. We are having funded FX, funding pips. We are having funded the next FX5 and Prime Plus funding. These are the prop firms that you can use the links that we mu Telegram yafe. When you use the links to buy the account, you're going to receive a discount of 5% or 10% over each account you buy. Yes, Mr. Someone near Malik, I've seen your hand up. Mr. Baka, let me open a kwanu kude. About the prop firms? Yes, Mr. Shuru. About the prop firm? I'm answering questions about prop firms. Yes, Mr. Drake.
Yo, ani mbadde ngamba nina olunaku lwenagezako okugulawo account ku funded next year. Nga balina message bangamba like balina okuverifyinga like nga balina message balina okunsindikira ku simu verifying wali ku account nenge yo message te like yalwawo otuuka for almost nga ennaku 2-3 nesoka nekimpamu n'obuzibu nensoka nkireka namu nga omanyi kati obuzibu wajjanga nakozesa credit card ya cause credit card yange yali yafunamu obuzibu nenkozesa credit card ya muto wange oba obuzibu bwava ku ekyo simanyi bro obanga nakozesa credit card zange
OTP nana zero inbox yange ngambuza OTP OTP baziweereza nnyo ku kaadi okozesa ATM card ebaako ennamba yagiregistaringa kati OTP bagiweereza kweyo ennamba
bagiweereza kweyo ennamba ku nnamba y'oyo yabaregistaringa.
Yes, OTP bagiweereza kweyo ennamba yagiregistaringa.
Ekitegeeza kati bagiweerezanga kweyo ennamba nga nze simanyi.
Yes. So someone's asking, how much money do you need to start? Welcome. Twetaaga sente nnyingi. Anyone with emitwalo 15 osobola okufuna funded account ya 5K.
Wow.
Omuntu yenna alina emitwalo 15 eja Uganda osobola okufuna account ya 5K mu Prime Plus, osobola okufuna account ya 5K mu Funding Pips, osobola okufuna account ya 5K mu Funded FX. Kati omuntu alina emitwalo 25 minimum emitwalo 25, you can get an account in FixFi, you can get an account in Funded Next. Ate ngati wobanga olina emitwalo 25 osobola okufuna account ya 10K ku Funding Pip n'ofuna account ya 5K ku Prime ya 10K ku Prime Plus. Someone's asking again, do they pay instantly? I personally perform the same instant. Wanji?
Like teyabaddeyo nga oyogera ndowooza.
So instant funding sirinayo program gye nja kuwa instant funding gye mbadde mmanyi sinagikiririzaamu bulungi, that is Audacity Capital, sinagikiririzaamu. Someone is asking me about Equity Edge. Equity Edge is a platform like any other. Komitwalo 14 kitundu eje Uganda, you can get an account for 2.5K ya 15. Okay? So sente zo zoyina zezikweyimirira. Equity Edge sinafuna mwana afunye payout. Naturally wangwendi mu trading anali mu kungamba ali ku live account ya 10K. So far akoze damagoba ga 12. So we are waiting for the 7 days to rabe how will they pay. Za account tena ina mo ya live ya Equity Edge bampereza email nga kiraga kisobola kola ki kuba trading. Unfortunately ne certificates tebazimba. So Equity Edge personally sinamu promotinga nenga wali a progressing. Ina sente ze mitwalo 5 you can go and try them out. Then ina mitwalo 25 you can trade any prop firm you want. Kweze 5 zetwogedde nziddamu omulundi ogusemba, that is Funding Pips, My Funded FX, Prime Plus Funding, and then FXFi, then we have Funded Next. Someone's asking like how informative your content is. People need to understand the prop firm space. Yes, but anategera firms nengera kasemba conclusion guys, temubera nnyo na suubi mu prop firms. If you can raise $1 million own cash, deposit the money and trade your own cash. Kinyuma nnyo okutradinga capital ng'olinayo ne prop farm ebbali. Mukategedde akantu ako. Trading $1 million tugeze that is $2,200 approximately 12 wala 15. Zidepositing ozi trading ku broker inago depositinzeko at the same time when ne prop farm gyokola ki? You're trading. So, my dear friends, since I'm having no more questions, I would like us to meet again any more time. Katuna wanabakiriza. Yes, go ahead. Yes, sir. Batwala 24 hours okuteekako sente ku gundi ku Binance. Bo bakozesa Binance. Teri bya Rise Pay. Funded Next, Funded Simanga bichi. Funding Pips ayina omuze omubinze kyebibi ku byagentanya. So for you to sobola kukujja $10 ngokozesa Binance, it is impossible. Oyirabera mu $5 kudda wansi. Naye zino farms zizo nezisigadde zenjogeddeko gwe yesalirawo kyoyagala osozijjayo ku PayPal, osozijjayo ku Coinbase, so anywhere you want. So personally, mbadde nfuna sente zange ku Binance nga nkozesa Prime. I have so far cashed out 3 times. Mbase 3 or 2 nga serabidde addayo kusatu account nagibreachinze. So byebyo Mr. Cohen. Even other firms zikozesa methods ezimu.
Nkuwulira.
Yes sir.
Waliwo KYC.
KYC most of farmers ezisinga KYC bamukola tonafuna phase 2. Nga tonafuna live phase, sorry. You get it? Most of the time, wakola KY sobo genda mukola before receiving the second phase.
Kati toyinayo kalabo kotutegekedde.
Obulawo bujja nabagamba ngenda kukola giveaway naye sineteekateeka nkyalina byendi mugattagattawo njagala kukola giveaway omuntu muwemi $1,000 naye agamba ogusajja gwankubye ssente. Someone here is asking, do you think XNS is okay when I want to trade my own money? Nabagamba banaye si promoting a broker yenna. Naye omuntu alina ssente z'obulungi ng'ozeewulire osobola trading XNS wat ogenda trading amawulire. Osobola trading ku XM ng'otrading zero spread. XM broker. Osobola trading light finance waali. Okitegedde. So mu bitwale bijja kuyamba abagadde obitwala abataagadde well and good naye nga kyekyo. So alina ekibuuzo ekisembayo ate ngende. Any other question? We have been here for so far 1 hour and in kakasa 1 hour after beneficial jokuli. Yes, Mr. Marvin Ricky. Yes? Who is asking? Chati bazivuddeko nabaze bazikola.
Njagala kuwulira kibuuzo kikwatagana ku chati.
Chati abaana babimanyi. Marvin Ricky alina kyatugamba empuwe ndabanga.
Nekyayiko olina bammenta balamba mu channel.
Marvin Ricky naye tumenta mulamba. Bamenta bali wano banjo olaba naye Cohen oli wano.
Siri mmenta ndeka.
Neke ya mumuli.
Nga nakulabye sewo kiringa ne ba WCK.
Sawa WCK mukulu wange.
Nkomanyi.
Kati mba sekirinze naye mba nange nina mmenta wange. Okay. Okay, tagenda kundeka again. Sitamujja wano sijja kuvaawo. So guys, thank you for attending today's lectures. Let us meet again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Continue to react on our side. Bila teka na mtinga mtuzeemu kumanyi mu reacting. Kale. Gale bulungi.
Kale sebo.